Oh, hi, friend. I'm so happy you made it. Today, we're drawing this sweet little bunny. Would you like to join me? Let's get started. So, first, I'm going to open my special sketchbook to a fresh new page, and you choose any color you like for your bunny. Okay, so first, let's draw a big circle for our bunny's head. Now, let's draw another part of a circle, just about the same size right underneath, kind of like a snowman. And this will be our bunny's body. All right, now let's give our bunny some feet. So from the bottom of our bottom circle, but off to the side, let's add a little loop shape for a foot, little curve, and the same thing on the other side. Okay, now let's give our bunny some paws. So still inside this bottom circle now, I'm going to draw a little curve, kind of a sort of a turned U shape. So there's one paw and two paws. All right, now let's draw the most famous part of a bunny. Let's draw our bunny's ears. So from the very tip top of our bunny's head, let's draw a big curved shape. And then another curved line back down. Same thing on the other side. Big curve up, big curve down. Now let's add some detail to our bunny's ears. So inside our bunny's ear, let's add another curved line that follows the outside one, and then just a little tail at the end of that curved line. Give our bunny's ear some shape. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Just inside our bunny's ear, long curved line, and then little tail back down. Okay, now let's give our bunny a face. So I like to draw a bunny face with two little circle eyes, and a little triangle nose, and two little curved lines for our bunny's mouth. Now let's add whiskers and some little curved lines for eyebrows. And now let's draw our bunny's fluffy tail. So right here on the side of our bunny's body, let's draw a little cloud shape. We'll go out and back in, and now our bunny has a tail. And there it is. There's our beautiful little blue bunny, or whatever color you chose. Oh, it was so much fun drawing a bunny with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.